is Michael from MicroLovesSharksHD.
And Dana from MicroLovesSharksHD.
And Mika from MicroLovesSharksHD. And today we have the Gingerbread Train Kit. You probably know you've seen the Gingerbread House video, but today we are doing the train kit. Alright, let's open this up and take a look inside. So here's what you get. You get a thing to hold the pieces on, pinwheel, picker-uppers, icing, cookie pieces, and multicolored beads, and gumballs. And that's everything. Mama is needing the icing bag, so she needs it.
I need it so it gets nice and soft.
So it can get nice and soft.
How long do I have to do this for?
A minute. Okay, got all the pieces here? Now let's start building it. Let's get to it.
I picked the wrong way because I'm silly man.
Of course you are.
Of course I am. Just a little extra decoration.
One.
Oh, on the back. Alright.
Give a space.
So Mama is holding on to the thing. Now she's going to attach it to there. And another piece should do that. One more piece. And last but not least, this piece.
Yep. And then, but before we put that one up, we're going to decorate it. Got it?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 16 gumballs. There's on the roof.
That is a good-looking train, isn't it, Meeks? Hey, well that was pretty awesome, wasn't it, Meeks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that train.
Uh-huh.
What do you like better, the train or the gingerbread house?
The gingerbread train.
It's pretty cool, wasn't it?
And the gingerbread house.
Yeah, you like them both?
Uh-huh.
All right, well, look, we hope you all enjoyed the video. And make sure you leave a comment down below. Thank you, Mama.
Mash that like button.
Mash that like button, that's right. Or you get some of this.
I'm gonna say, don't miss the next video.
Don't miss the next video where we'll be...
You can say, and subscribe.
And subscribe. I guess you'll have to stay tuned to figure out where we're going next, because you never know. You never know.
That's right.
All right, well, we'll see you next time here on MicroLovesSharksHD.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.